Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will see how to use ChatGPT. If you are watching this means that you are eager to use ChatGPT, but you are not sure where to start. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website, chat.openai.com/auth/login. And this is to create or log in to your account. So if you don't have an account on the OpenAI website, you need to create one. To do this, click on sign up and you will need to enter your email address. You can use your Google Mail or Microsoft account. You will also be required to do phone verification to confirm that you are really a human. For me, I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login and then log in with my Google account. That's it. After logging in, you can start asking ChatGPT questions. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? Let's, for example, say first hello. And it's going to say, hello, how can I assist you today? Let's say, what is ChatGPT? And it's giving us an answer. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and so on and so forth. If you don't like this answer, you can click on this button right here, Regenerate Response, to give you another response. So let's try that. And now we have another answer. And right here, it's asking us whether it is a better answer or worse answer or the same. Let's say it's better. You can also like or dislike the answer. You have these buttons right here. For example, let's like, and you can even give a feedback if you want. You can also copy this answer if you need to copy it somewhere. So just hit this button and it will be copied to the clipboard. So this is it, guys. This is my quick start tutorial on ChatGPT. I hope it was helpful for you and thank you for watching.